All right, so you know what ClickBank is, but can you make money on ClickBank? Is that a viable option for you in 2019? Are people still making money on ClickBank? We're going to answer that question in this video. But first, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you tick that little bell notification so you get notified anytime I release a video when I release the video. And also make sure that you hop over while you're subscribing to things and join our Facebook group. It's an in-depth place where you get to hang out with people of like-minded philosophies and swap different money-making ideas. Plus, I'm in there. That's where I answer a lot of questions. Um, so let's get on to the video. So I did a simple search on can you make money on ClickBank and YouTube, right? So these are tons of experts in the make money online field. So you have Franklin Hatchett, you have Kevin David, Project Life Mastery, Stefan, um, you have Marissa. You just have the creme de la creme of people who do make money online. John Crestani. A lot of these guys even have courses. John Crestani has a very amazing course on ClickBank right now. Stefan from Project Life Mastery has had multiple courses on ClickBank. These guys do both course where they make courses and they promote courses, right? So for you guys that don't know what ClickBank is a digital marketplace where you can buy information products, or you can be an affiliate marketer and sell those information products for a high commission, right? So here's a sample of some of the products that they promote. You can learn how to sing. They have a surfing course. They have a dancing course, some weight loss supplement stuff, so a paleo diet, some kind of workout thing, dogs, guitar, photo. As you can see, if you want to learn something and you don't want to take a college course, you go to places like ClickBank and Udemy, and these are marketplaces where you can buy a digital product and learn a skill for a fraction of the cost of what it would take to go to school. This is a big business. Somebody like me, who's an affiliate marketer, I build an entire audience around a product or a specific niche and sell people on these courses, and I make high commissions, 50%, 75, sometimes even 100%, right? So can you still make money with that? Is that still a viable option? Well, these experts seem to think so, and I tend to agree with them because I have before. So I also did a search in Google because obviously YouTube videos, you're going to get a lot of people that are just trying to promote the fact that ClickBank is a way to make money. Some of them are promoting their course. So what I did was I asked Google, can you make money on ClickBank? And I clicked on the very first article, right? And you're obviously highly skeptical of any kind of article simply because it's online. But what I like to do is I like to qualify things, right? So this is SimilarWeb, right? And the SimilarWeb says that this website has 404,000 monthly visitors, right? They have a ton of traffic coming to this website. They didn't grow that traffic. They didn't get that big by being a bunch of liars and promoting stuff that doesn't work, right? So they did a complete in-depth review on how to make money with ClickBank, 500 plus a day, right? So they break it all down. They go through, it's kind of wordy. So we're not obviously going to go through all this, but it tells you everything that you could possibly want to know. That's probably why it's ranked first in Google. But it literally goes down and it gives you a what for on what ClickBank is, right? It even tells you how to choose some products and blah, 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 right? So they actually, somewhere in here, they give you the method right here on how to do $500 a day. And basically they rubber stamp it essentially, right? You could check out this article if you want. Like I said, it's the first one that came up in the search, right? So I also, obviously that's not good enough. So I like to go to forums, right? I like to look for forums, question answer sites, things like that, right? So I come down here and there's a block of stuff from Quora, right? So this one was answered on March 10th and it had 9 answers, right? So this guy wants to know, how can I make $100 daily from ClickBank? And Jim Daniels answered the question saying, 100 a day from ClickBank is indeed quite possible. Here's a screenshot from my own ClickBank account to prove it. So this is his ClickBank account, and he's showing you all the money that he's made within the from January 7th to January 14th. So he's showing you the money that he's made from ClickBank. So yes, he's saying that you can make money from ClickBank. Shocker, right? Well, what you're really wanting, if you're at this point in the video, what you're really wanting to know is ClickBank a scam, right? And the answer to that is no. And I'm going to show you from ClickBank's own site. If you come down here and you click this knowledge base, and it's going to pop up a list of articles, right? You come down here a little bit. This is promoted articles, return and cancellation policies, right? So they basically want their customers to feel comfortable with buying a product, right? They want their vendors, the ones that make the product, feel safe selling them. And they want the affiliates who sell the vendors' products to feel like they're going to get paid the commission that's owed to them when they sell the product, right? So this is their return and cancellation policy, and it dictates everything, why somebody would cancel, when ClickBank will step in, if people abuse the return policy, and it gives you some notes for clients, basically people that are affiliate marketers like myself, right? So what do you get from all this? In my honest, humble opinion, yes, you can make money from ClickBank. I have done it before. Although I have not been a ClickBank master, I have used it in the past to do some affiliate marketing. I've made a small amount of money, nothing crazy, a couple $100. Um, but it is definitely something that you guys want to get into and look into. The amount of money that you can potentially make is unfathomable. I wish that I would have started a lot sooner with ClickBank, and I wish that I would have went more in depth with ClickBank. And that's something that I plan to remedy in the near future. I think that I'm going to set up a couple of case studies on how to make money with ClickBank, showing you my day-to-day process of doing it. I also have a video that's going to show you the complete step-by-step guide for ClickBank beginners, right? So if you head over to my channel and you click on this little one right here, that is an hour-and-a-half training on how to promote ClickBank properly. So what it's taken for me to learn that has been a couple years and a couple $1,000s worth of buying courses, trial and error, the whole 9 yards. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next video.